NanoBanana Pro, only 5 cents per request. It's currently the strongest AI image editing model out there. For example, with just a simple reference image, you can change a character's pose, and the character consistency stays absolutely perfect. Even when it comes to body shape and motion, you will not gonna get those weird broken results. You can also do things like color line, art, generate game UI interfaces, or even take these outfit combinations and put them all directly onto a model. Or when we're reading comics, you can generate different shot effects. And all of that can be done using our banana. All of this will turn into super easy and simple to pull off. But in Gemini Official, it's cost a lot of money and has plenty of limits. In Pro Plan, you can only generate 100 times in single day. But today, I'll bring you a treasure. In one platform with the full-powered, full-featured experience, and most importantly, no limits generation. One-click registration, no monthly subscription, only pay per use. And every generation costs less than 5 cents. With NanoBanana 2, it only costs 2.5 cents. And that's not all. It also directly integrates the full versions of top-tier large models. Not only Gemini, GPT 5.2, Claude 4.6 also got Kimi, Qwen, Cadence 2.0. Here is the list. You can pause to view it. And pricing is amazing. It truly makes it possible. In the real sense, in one single site, single API. If you want to try it, check the pinned comment. Register by my link, get free trial. It won't let you down.